Hi guys, in this video we are going to study about what are mutual funds, what are the types of mutual funds and how to pick the best mutual funds. So, many people think that mutual funds and stock market are similar. If you think so, then you are completely wrong. Because in stock market, you take your own decision, you know where you have to go and how to go. But in mutual funds, where you hire a professional to take your decision, whom we call as a fund manager. So, in simple words, mutual funds collects money from people like us. For example, 1000 rupees from you, 1000 rupees from me, and creates a money pool. Then, a fund manager uses this money pool to invest in stock, bonds, and assets. This depends upon the objectives of those mutual funds. Here, you no need to worry about what is the interest rate, dividend, or the profit margin because everything is taken care by the fund manager. Let's say what is the positive side of mutual funds. Mutual funds which invest in different avenues and will earn income from that. The income earned can be in the form of dividend, interest and gain as well. Assume they have gained 1000 rupees. So what mutual fund is going to do with that? So they are going to distribute among the investors after taking some portion of it, which is known as expense ratio. This expense ratio is going to be 1 to 3% of your total investment. Now, you might think after investing, they might run away with your money or there might be a chances of fraud. No, that's not going to happen because mutual funds are regulated by SEBI, Securities Exchange Board of India. So running away with your money is highly impossible. But if you choose a bad fund manager, they might lose your money by investing in bad stocks. Moving on, the next topic is types of mutual funds. So equity mutual funds, debt mutual funds, hybrid mutual funds, solution oriented mutual funds and other funds. So what is equity mutual funds? These mutual funds invest in shares, stocks of companies. Here the risk is high and the return is also high. The next one, debt mutual funds. Debt mutual funds invest in securities which generate fixed income like government bonds, debentures, treasury bills. Here the risk is low and the return is also low. Next one, hybrid mutual funds. They invest both in equity as well as debt mutual funds and they give moderate return. And the next one is solution oriented mutual funds. This one is newly introduced category of mutual funds which has unique features, objectives and strategies. These mutual funds has a specific goal like retirement planning, child's marriage plan or a child's education plan. And the last one, other mutual funds. In other mutual funds, whatever the money mutual fund is collecting directly invested in index, they are going to directly invest in Nifty or directly in Sensex. Moving on, how to pick the best mutual funds. That first one is short term. If you are investing for a short term, then you can go with debt funds because debt mutual funds provide low risk than equity mutual funds and they give more returns than bank. The next one is long term. If you are investing for a long term, then you can pay lump sum. That's a huge amount at once, or you can go with SIP, systematic investment plan. Here the frequency of investment is usually weekly, monthly or quarterly. Next is mutual fund schemes. Large cap, mid cap and small cap. Large cap scheme invest in big companies which are already well established. Here the risk is low. Mid cap scheme come with moderate risk but with moderate return. Small cap scheme invest even in smaller companies, so they come with high risk and the return will also be high. If you are new to mutual fund, then you can go with large cap because the risk is very low. And the next is parameters of mutual funds. Mutual funds are subject to market risk. So you need to always check the returns, what that mutual fund has given from last 5 years or 10 years, what is the expense ratio they are going to charge on your total investment, what are the entry and exit load of those mutual funds. If you want to invest for a long term, mutual fund is a great option. Instead of sitting idle, your money will go and earn for you. I hope you have understood how mutual fund works in a simplified manner. If so, then do like, share and subscribe my channel. So guys, this is my first video. I'll be coming up with the more videos. Till then, take care. Bye.